What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here, and today I just want to tell you about a new tutorial that's just hit the website. This is a tutorial about EQ, and I'm basically going to be going over all the different features, how to EQ, when I would EQ, different things that I would do to sort of add different sort of tonalities to my sound. I've actually included a chart in the tutorial showing you sort of where to boost and where to cut to create sort of different sounds. You know, if you want to add sort of presence to your track, if you want to remove certain frequencies, if it's muddy, if you want to remove some of the boxiness. So there's an actual chart included inside the tutorial as well to sort of help you with that. Also in the tutorial, I'm going to be looking at mid-side EQ and sort of how it works and when you would use it. I'm going to be looking at the different bands that you have with inside an EQ, what the different bands do, when you would use them, and stuff like that. I'm also going to be looking at the frequency spectrum, and we're going to be looking at different sounds and where they sit inside the frequency spectrum and how to get certain sounds to sit better if they're sitting in the same sort of frequency range. Also, I've got some tips and tricks for, you know, making sure that everything's punching through nicely in your low end. Obviously, low end is a real problem at times when you're not EQing properly. And also some best practices for cutting and boosting when it comes to EQ. And basically as well at the end I have 5 to 6 sort of typical trance sounds that we're going to look at EQing together. None of them have EQ on to start off with, but I'm going to be showing you how to EQ and how to get them to sort of sit together nicely in the mix. So if this is something you'd be interested in, guys, please head to the website, that's allanmorrowstudios.com, and grab your copy now.